Hello guys, and welcome to a quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to display the date on your Armitron digital watch with the 4 buttons. As you can see, we can read the digital time, so we have 11:37, we have the 30th of the month and the day of the week, which is Tuesday, but we do not know the exact date, so the month and the year. Now, if you press and hold the start button, you will be able to see all of that displayed. So you can see the 30th of December 2025. Once I release the button, it is going to go once again to the home screen where we have the digital time, the day of the month and the day of the week. If you press the start button only once, it is going to display the date only for a fraction of a second. So that is why you need to press and hold, guys, and after you release it, it is going to go once again to your home screen. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.